Ever seen a self-thinking, evolving car factory? Not sci-fi, it's real. A running next-gen car factory. Here, every station has an AI brain. Welcome to the thinking, self-optimizing, evolving smart entity, LUXEED Super Factory. We're the first level 4 certified smart EV factory. From scheduling, AI runs the show. Orders auto, trigger optimal sequencing, material routing, and machine loads. This is the core smart factory shift. AI schedules everything for global efficiency, replacing rigid manual planning. Sensors act as nerve endings. AI as the brain gluing and pressing with real-time AI inspection. If any risk is predicted, we pre-act before failures happen, stopping defects instantly. This is how we predict and cut losses, sensing, analyzing, acting in a fully automated closed loop, no manual checks, eye vision, and precision sensors double check. This way, for every car and all of its parts, we judge differences in seconds. Finally, data feeds back to the AI brain, making the next inspection even more precise. Maintenance is now proactive. Digital twins predict failure 72 hours early. AI alerts you before things break. Same for energy use. The system auto optimizes high power. One AI brain runs the entire process. It evolves with every car built. Data feeds the model, getting smarter. Other factories shut down at night. Ours keeps reviewing tire assembly, trying to save 0.1 seconds. That's the smart factory difference. It grows smarter and more precise. A thinking factory builds thinking cars.